Hello, this is Darwish from Professor Darwish. I'm the founder of this channel, Professor Darwish. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to use reference angles to evaluate trigonometric functions. Reference angles allow you to evaluate trigonometric functions for any angle by relating it to a first quadrant angle, which is usually easier to work with. To use them, you first determine the quadrant of the given angle and then find the acute angle between the terminal side of that angle and the x-axis. This acute angle is the reference angle. Finally, you evaluate the trigonometric function for the reference angle and adjust the sign based on the quadrant of the original angle. Steps for using reference angles. 1. Determine the quadrant. Identify the quadrant in which the given angle, theta, lies. Angles are measured counterclockwise from the positive x-axis. Quadrants are numbered I through 4, starting in the upper right and moving counterclockwise. 2. Find the reference angle. Quadrant I. If theta is in quadrant I, the reference angle, theta, is simply theta itself. Quadrant II. Theta equals 180 degrees, theta, or pi, theta, in radians. Quadrant III. Theta equals theta, 180 degrees, or theta, pi in radians. Quadrant IV. Theta equals 360 degrees, theta, or 2 pi, theta, in radians. 3. Evaluate the trigonometric function. Use the unit circle or trigonometric identities to find the value of the trigonometric function for the reference angle, theta. 4. Determine the sign. The sign of the trigonometric function for the original angle, theta, is determined by the quadrant it lies in. Remember the mnemonic, all students take calculus, yes TC, or use a diagram to recall which functions are positive in each quadrant. Quadrant I. All trigonometric functions are positive. Quadrant II. Sine is positive. Quadrant III. Tangent is positive. Quadrant IV. Cosine is positive. Example. Let's find the value of sin, 150 degrees. Quadrant. 150 degrees lies in quadrant II. Reference angle. Theta equals 180 degrees to 150 degrees equals 30 degrees. Evaluate. Sin, 30 degrees, equals 1/2. Sine. Sine is positive in quadrant II, so sin, 150 degrees, equals 1/2. In summary, reference angles simplify the process of evaluating trigonometric functions for angles beyond the first quadrant by relating them to a known angle in the first quadrant, while ensuring the correct sign based on the original angle's location. No more talking, let's learn.